The magic purse of the river. In a village lived two orphan sisters named Sita and Geeta. Sita and Geeta are very poor. They lived in a hut in the village. The conditions of the Sita and Geeta were very bad. They had nothing to eat. They were troubled by hunger. One day, Sita's younger sister Geeta tells Sita, "Sister, I am very hungry. I want to eat something." Sita, "My little sister, don't worry at all. I will go now and bring something for you to eat." After saying this to her sister Sita, Geeta goes to her aunt's house in the neighborhood and tells her all the problems. "Auntie, I am very upset after my parents passed away. Now Sita is my responsibility and she is very sad. If she does not get food, she will die by crying. Auntie, don't refuse me, please. Help me something. I am very much. I have come to you with the hope of that as soon as I get a job, I will pay your all money." Seeing Geeta in trouble, her aunt helps to her and says, "Don't worry, Geeta. I have some money. With that money, you will be able to spend for a few days. But you know that we are also very poor, so you will have to find work soon. We cannot help you for a long. And how will long you keep asking money from others like this?" "Yes, auntie, you are right. But what should I do? I go out in search of work every day, but I did not find any work anywhere. We will not be able to survive if we will not able to find work." After this, Geeta's aunts give some money to Geeta and Geeta takes some things to eat for her younger sister. Now Geeta gets thinking, "Oh Lord, today I somehow managed to get food for Sita. But how long will this last?" After this, Geeta tells her sister Sita about the magical river. "Sita, you were very young when parents died. That time, mother told me one thing, that there is a magical river in our village, and that river helps every needy people. But to take its help, we have to something gotta give. Then let's go there and see if we can be of some help." After this, both the sisters Sita and Geeta walk to the river. "The magical river, we have nothing to give you because we are very poor. But we sisters have brought a lot of hope to you. Magical river, help us. Please, we are very poor. Please help us. Magical river, mothers told me about you, but we have nothing to give you, so we used to keep thinking. But even today, we have nothing to give you. We both sisters are very upset. That's why we have come to you. Magic river, please help us. Next time, we will surely come to you with some gift." After listening this, the magical river says, "Sita and Geeta, tell me what you both sisters want. How can I help you?" "Magical river, just give me work in such a way that I can run the expenses of my house and my sister does not go hungry." The river is very happy and says, "Geeta, you are really very innocent here. Whoever comes to me asking for help asks for gold, silver, diamonds, and money from me. So you are the first girl who is asking me for work. I am happy to see your honesty." "Yes, Geeta, I cannot give you any work because you have to achieve it with your understanding, hard work. But I can give you one thing. This can help you." Then that magical river by its power reveals a magical gold purse over there. "Take this. It is a magical gold purse. Whatever you put inside the purse will become a gold. Geeta, you can use this gold purse as long as you want." And the day you feel that you don't need this purse, you can return me the score on this. Sita and Geeta take the gold purse and say thanks to the river and come back to their home. She goes home and puts some things in the gold purse. She sees that the thing immediately turns into gold. Gradually, Sita and Geeta become very rich with the help of the magical purse. With that money, she opens a purse shop for herself where she gives jobs to many people. Seeing this, Geeta's aunt she gets very jealous. After all, what happened to Geeta's daughter? That she has become a too rich and at the same time helping people. I have to find out. Her aunt goes outside Geeta's house at nightfall and listens to the talk of Geeta and Sita there. Sita, we have to become very happy that this magical golden purse should now be returned to the magical river. Yes, sister, you are right. Now we have everything. Now we don't need this magical gold purse. We will return it to the magical river tomorrow itself. Her aunt overhears all these things of Sita and Geeta and seeing the opportunity, her aunt steals the gold purse. The next day, Sita and Geeta see their gold purse has disappeared. They both are very surprised. Both the sisters go and tell everything to the river. Sita and Geeta, both you don't worry. Now you can stay at your home comfortably. Wherever the magical purse, it will come back to me. Geeta's aunt is very happy. Geeta's aunts keep all the savings inside the purse, thinking that she has a gold purse in her hand. So her aunt is very surprised to see that she has got mixed in the soil and says, "What happened? What was this? I have lost my all money. Oh God, I am ruined. What should I do now? I have an idea. I will take the purse and it sell to the goldsmith, and whatever money I get, it will be enough for me." As soon as Geeta's aunts think so much, that purse also disappears and her aunts just keep watching. Here both sisters spend their lives happily. So my dear friends, how did you like this story of mine? Please tell me by commenting and share this with your friends too. And yes friends, if you don't have subscribed my channel, please then quickly subscribe the channel by pressing the red button below.